Hey guys, Tyler here, your Puzzle Master Insider, and I'm very excited today to give you an inside look at a brand new puzzle from Hanayama called the Cast Trinity. It's got new packaging, it's a new puzzle, and we literally just got it in this morning. I went to the back here at Puzzle Master, pulled this off the pallet, and I'm going to be unboxing this for you later in this video. You're not going to want to miss this. Alright, so here it is, Cast Trinity, you can see right there. Actually, if you notice, right down here it says Huzzle. And this is a rebrand, from what I understand, of the Cast line of puzzles. And it's some combination of Hanayama and Puzzle into Huzzle. A completely brand new rebrand of their Cast line of puzzles. And you'll see the packaging inside once we crack open this box. So let's take a look at what Cast Trinity looks like. Oh, there we go. So inside that big brown box, here is this little white box, and you've got 6 of those Cast Trinity inside. And here is the puzzle. Brand new packaging. I love the look of this. Man, that looks awesome. This is their packaging. Much more modern, sleeker design. Just something very, very interesting, very cool. It's got a good feel. It's heavy. And here's that rebrand, that Huzzle at the top. There is the Japanese characters here on this one. The old packaging actually had the Chinese characters on it. So this is much more true to the Hanayama Japanese identity. And along with their level at the bottom here, level 6. The stars, and on the back they've got the picture of the assembled, disassembled, so it gives you an idea what you need to do. And then here you'll see it says designed by Hong Kong designer Kyo Wong. Now I'm not sure what will all be inside here, so let's just carefully crack open the seal on the side and pop open that lid. Let's see what we got. So there's the puzzle. And it looks like inside there is a bit of a description here. Oh, it's got other puzzles available from Hanayama with some ratings, difficulty levels, and the Huzzle puzzle. Huzzle puzzles are based in a simple concept. Can you take them apart and can you put them back together? Belaying this simplicity, however, their construction is devilishly devious and deceptively deep. Simple yet so enjoyable. Fun even though it's also difficult. Just picking up one to feel the cool heft of these puzzles marvels for yourself. That is awesome. They have a cool insert there. Now let's get to the puzzle itself. Ooh, that looks like it'd be hard to put back together. So there it is. Let's get a quick look here, a little tighter. Cast Trinity right there, and it is still cold from coming in from outside. And they're not kidding, that is a hefty puzzle, an awesome look, and supposedly very difficult. Now, I don't know if you can see it, but on the side here, it says Trinity, and it's engraved in. So it's got the name imprinted into the side of this this puzzle. Man, it just got some heft to it. It's an awesome look, a great finish. And man, it's supposedly just a very difficult puzzle. So I assume the objective is to get all 3 of the parts separated and then put back together. It's a level 6 out of 6 on the Hanayama difficulty rating scale, which is equivalent to a 10 on the Puzzle Master difficulty rating scale, which runs from 5 to 10. You'll see at the top here, there's just a very slight gap in between these edges. And then it would seem that this space here kind of seems like it fits maybe these the heads on the end of these horseshoe shapes. And man, it just, everything seems really tight, but awesome puzzle, man. Well made. It's also got, just notice this, the Hanayama logo and name imprinted into the side here. And man, just such a great puzzle. The cast Trinity is now available at puzzlemaster.ca. That wraps up the video for this brand new release from Hanayama. Make sure to subscribe to the Puzzle Master YouTube channel, like us on Facebook, and follow us on Instagram. Thank you for watching, and I hope that you have a very puzzling week.